Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best body pillows on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Bone-Un Body Pillow. New Bone-Un Premium Body Pillow has an adjustable loft feature to allow users to adjust it to optimal comfort and support levels for any type of sleeper. It also comes with a skin-friendly and breathable cotton pillowcase for extra coziness. The generous full-body pillow size, measuring 21 inches by 54 inches, offers an unbeatable amount of head and body support when it is fluffed out. Its unique combination of firmness and plushness makes it an ideal choice for side, back, or stomach sleepers. What we like about it: no chemical odor, gusseted sides for extra support, soft polyester filling. What we don't like about it: may need occasional fluffing/reshaping. Number 2. Down Cool Body Pillow. The Down Cool Body Pillow features an ultra-premium 100% polyester cover that is both breathable and soft. It's durable and avoids piling, making it ideal for daily use. Furthermore, the pillow is designed with a large and soft insert, helping it to keep its shape and provide medium firm support. It is designed to take the place of multiple bulky pillows and helps relieve pressure from various areas of the body, ensuring a smooth and comfortable sleep all night. What we like about it: helps relieve shoulder and back pain. Very soft and supportive. Not too hot or cold. What we don't like about it: could be too squishy for some people. Number 3. Downlux Full Body Pillow. The Downlux Shredded Memory Foam Full Body Pillow offers a unique, comfortable way to support your body throughout the day and night. This pillow is 20 inches by 54 inches and offers extra long support for adults. It is made of breathable and skin-friendly fabric with memory foam particles that provide a supportive cushion and reduce the burden on your body. I recommend this pillow for side and back sleepers as well as those who are pregnant. Not only is the pillow an amazing sleep aid, but it can also be used as a versatile support for reading or watching TV in bed or on the couch. What we like about it: soft yet supportive. Cuffs up quickly. Retains its shape. What we don't like about it: needs to be firmer for some people. Number 4. Dreamfield Linen Body Pillow. The Dreamfield Linen Body Pillow can be molded to fit any preference and works great as a pregnancy pillow, providing support and comfort with its cooling bamboo cover. The 50 by 50 blend of polyurethane foam and shredded memory foam ensures a high-grade material that is cool to the touch and extra plush for a snug fit. It is also breathable and hypoallergenic. On top of that, the pillow is machine washable. Simply unzip the cover and put it in the washer. What we like about it: alleviates pressure on hips and shoulders. Forms to the body for optimal comfort. Tool to the touch. What we don't like about it: the pillow is slightly too short for some. Number 5. El Nido Queen Long Body Pillow. The El Nido Queen Body Pillow measures 20 inches by 54 inches and offers medium density and breathable comfort, helping you stay cool and relaxed all night long. This body pillow is designed with an envelope closure and comes with a navy blue polyester body pillowcase. The pillowcase features an adjustable full-body insert that provides extra relief and maximum support for the body during sleep. It can easily fit the contours of your body, making it the ideal companion for sleeping, reading, nursing, or breastfeeding. What we like about it: very comfortable and soft. Not super firm, yet supportive. Tool to the touch. What we don't like about it: may not provide enough support for some. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.